Imagine building an AI app in just 15 minutes. No coding, no jargon, just drag, drop, connect, and launch. Step 1. Choose a simple problem your app will solve. For example, summarize long text or write marketing copy. Step 2. Open your favorite no-code builder and connect it to an AI model using an API key. That's it. Add a text box for user input. Add a button that says Generate. Add a result box to show the AI's answer. Connect your button to the AI block. Tell the AI what to do with a simple prompt. Done. Test your app. Improve the prompt. Add a loading animation. Add a character limit. Make it simple. Make it fast. Make it useful. Share your app link. Let users try it. Add payments or analytics if you want to grow. You just built an AI app without code.